as well. And that's with the 40-degree tip on there, guys. So as you can see, this thing does pretty good. Definitely be great for washing your vehicle, cleaning off your deck, maybe even doing a little bit of pressure washing to your driveway as well, okay? Not the most powerful pressure washer in the world, but for an everyday pressure washer that's easy to get out and hook up, this thing was super easy. I'll probably end up using this a lot more often than my big pressure washer when I'm just washing my car. So I'm gonna carry on here for a little bit, guys, and then we'll get that soap bomb out and show you how that works. Okay, now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take our wand off of here, okay, like so. And we already have our soap bomb hooked up with some car wash soap. Go ahead and install that, and let's see how that works. Stay tuned. All right. Looks like it's doing a pretty good job of soaping up the vehicle.